How are you? Hope you're doing beautiful, magnificent, splendid. Okay, perfect. Love to hear that. Listen, I know I called you, but I am in a hurry. Just wanted to say welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna give you all the big sissy vibes and love that you want and need. You're gonna love it here, I promise. Love you, Pookies. Hey Pookies, it's your girl Iya. How are you? I hope you're doing beautiful, magnificent, splendid. You're probably like, Iya, what the hell is going on with your hair right now? It's hair wash day. Duh. I've been wearing clip-in extensions and my head was just feeling like it needed like a nice scrub. So I'm gonna wear the same style I was wearing before. I'm gonna do my curly clip-in extensions, but I figured I'd do a little step-by-step tutorial for y'all. Anywho, let's get into it. Okay, so I've been currently using these two products during my hair wash day. Oh my gosh. Oh! There's a lot going on right now. When it comes to hair wash days, I've been using some Shea Moisture. It is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Love it. Makes my hair feel super refreshed. So I'm gonna do a little washy, of course, blow dry it, all that fun stuff. So keep on watching if you care. I feel so clean. I feel so fresh. I have been really loving this product by Miel. It's the avocado and tamanu, correct me if I'm saying that wrong, anti-frizz stay straight serum. Love it. Keeps my hair nice and protected. Makes the blow dry just glide through my hair. Love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. I already sectioned my hair when I was in the shower. I just have this towel on because it was just like dripping all over the place. But I don't know what character I remind myself of right now. But if you know, feel free to comment. The sections aren't perfect. I just needed it to be proportioned out because my hair is getting harder and harder to blow dry through. When I first cut it, I was able to just like blow dry through all of it, but now I have to start sectioning it again, which is a good sign because that means my hair is growing. So okay, I just wanted to show y'all one section, but just like look at this. Look at this. Oh, again, my holy grail these last couple months. Okay, the mane has been tamed. You know, as I was blow drying, I was realizing I haven't had a silk press in years. I'm actually very curious how my hair would look with the silk press these days. Because also, I've done so much with my hair. Like I've chopped it, I've colored it, like, and I feel like I'm at a place now where it's like really healthy. And yeah, but it's way too hot to be doing a silk press this summer. I'm just gonna sweat that shit out, so. Extensions is. Okay, now I'm going to braid down my hair. Where is my comb? Oh, it's right here. For me personally, I braid just to get my shit flat. I don't do it for the looks, okay? So for y'all professional braiders out there, don't judge me, please. Not today. So there's obviously different ways to do extensions. Like you can either just do it like with your hair out and you just like put the extensions like section by section, or you can braid down your hair and like have a leave out, and like that's what I like to do, just to like keep everything intact. So what I normally like to do is section off the sides the top and then the back, so when I want to put my hair up and stuff. In terms of like how much I leave out, I don't like to leave out too much. These aren't straight extensions, these are like wavy curly type extensions, so I don't have to apply too much heat to my hair, which is great. Anywho, I'm gonna stop talking now, just watch. Okay, finished look. She's all done. Anywho, yeah. I've really been into just like clip-in extensions, U-part wigs, if I don't want to get like braids and stuff, because it just looks more natural. Don't get me wrong, I do still love me a cute little lace front wig, but it's just hard to maintain all the time. So anywho, feel free to copy my style or don't. It's okay. I'll love you either way. Love you, Pookies.